Your mind is your kingdom. And there you are, ruler. This quote emphasizes the idea that your thoughts and mindset have the power to shape your life and determine your destiny. It motivates you to take control of your thoughts, attitudes, and beliefs because they ultimately govern your actions and the outcomes you achieve. By being the ruler of your own mind, you can steer your life in the direction you desire and achieve your goals. Are you the ruler of your own mind, the sovereign of your thoughts, and the architect of your beliefs? These questions resonate deeply with the wisdom of 16th century English poet Francis Quarles, who famously declared, "My mind is my kingdom." Quarles' words invite us to explore a profound concept. Our minds are vast domains, rich in potential, and we hold the power to govern them. In this realm, we are not subjects. We are the kings and queens of our own cognitive kingdoms. To fully harness this power, we must recognize that we are in command of our thoughts and that our thoughts shape our reality. Just as a skilled ruler governs wisely, we too must govern our thoughts with intention. We hold the scepter of control over our inner landscapes, and with it, we can shape the outer world. This self-mastery is essential for achieving success and fulfillment in our daily lives. It all begins with the profound realization that our minds are both the creators and sculptors of our destinies. In our mental kingdom, we often hear voices, internal dialogues that narrate our experiences and shape our perceptions. These voices, while intrinsic to our humanity, can sometimes be unhelpful. They whisper limiting beliefs, casting shadows of doubt and apprehension. These beliefs can stifle our potential and hinder our progress. The good news is that we possess the power to govern these voices. Just as a ruler governs a kingdom, imagine wielding a giant remote control over your mind. With this metaphorical device, you can pause the negative voices, decrease their volume, or even reprogram them entirely. This ability to reprogram limiting beliefs is transformative. It allows us to replace self-doubt with self-assurance, anxiety with confidence, and fear with courage. When we no longer yield to the tyranny of self-limiting thoughts, we free ourselves to embark on journeys of growth and self-realization. Enabling beliefs serve as the cornerstone of this transformation. These beliefs are inspirational, powerful, and motivational. They serve as the keys to unlocking our untapped potential and exploring fresh perspectives. Enabling beliefs can spark curiosity in our minds, enabling us to view situations from new angles and expand our horizons. With these beliefs, we navigate challenges with resilience, overcome obstacles with determination, and seize opportunities with confidence. Consider this enabling belief. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. This statement underscores the importance of embracing change and seeking alternatives. When we persist in the same actions, we often yield the same results. By daring to tread new paths, we open doors to unforeseen possibilities. Embracing this belief encourages us to explore innovative approaches, fostering growth and personal development. In the modern world, knowledge sharing and networking offer valuable resources for self-improvement. Just as rulers seek counsel from wise advisors, we can learn from others, especially in our professional lives. Interacting with like-minded individuals provides opportunities to exchange knowledge and best practices. With the advent of the internet, a world of information is at our fingertips. Resources such as publications, forums, and webinars can inspire and facilitate the application of enabling beliefs. Another empowering belief states, there is no such thing as failure, only feedback. Often, we encounter situations that don't unfold as planned. The inner voices might chastise us saying, "You failed." However, this interpretation is unproductive. Instead, by adopting the belief that every outcome offers feedback, we transform setbacks into stepping stones. Constructive feedback guides us toward improvement. When we view challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, we foster resilience and adaptability. Consider these additional enabling beliefs, pondering their potential applications in your kingdom of the mind. This choice is better than no choice. This belief underscores the importance of embracing agency in decision-making. When we recognize that we have choices, we regain control over our lives. If one person can do something, then anyone can. Consider subscribing to our channel and hit like button. Thank you. This belief bolsters our self-efficacy. It reminds us that human potential knows no bounds and encourages us to explore uncharted territories. The person with the most flexibility in thinking and behavior has the most influence over any interaction. Flexibility is a hallmark of adaptability and influence. By remaining open to diverse perspectives, we enhance our capacity to affect positive change. I'm in charge of my mind and therefore my results. This belief serves as the linchpin of self-mastery. It affirms that our thoughts, choices, and actions shape our outcomes. With this belief, we embrace responsibility for our lives. In conclusion, our minds are vast kingdoms, and we are the sovereign rulers. Through self-awareness, the embrace of enabling beliefs, and the recognition of our power over internal voices, we unlock the gates to personal growth and fulfillment. Our cognitive realm holds the keys to our destinies, and we have the authority to script narratives of success and resilience. Just as Francis Quarles understood, our minds are our kingdoms, and within them, we craft our legacy. In the paths of our thoughts, we reign supreme.